After months of ups and downs from the giant tech WhatsApp, we now have a stable version of the multi-device support feature. And so how does it work, and how does it compare to what Telegram has? Let's have a review of this update and see the benefits it has. Make sure you stay till the end because we've got something for everyone. Welcome back to Danzzy Tech World. Click the subscribe button with the bell icon turned on. Join the community and let's have fun. Make sure you install the WhatsApp update and come join us explore. Well, with the stable version of the WhatsApp device support feature, it's now possible to connect your phone, which is the main device, to 4 other devices at a time, and all devices can function without the phone having internet connection. But you won't be able to use your multiple phones on the account. And what it means is that the mobile app version can be connected to only one phone at a time, and so the other devices will have to use WhatsApp web in linking them. WhatsApp also says that the devices will be disconnected from your account if your phone is inactive for more than 2 weeks, and it's only your phone that can link other devices. Well, let's try to set it up and see what it has. Tap on the 3 dots and head to link devices, and this is what we see after the update. We need to tap this, which locks you out of all devices that were linked before the update. In linking our PC, we open WhatsApp web and then scan the QR code. In my finding, I realized that a QR code had to be scanned about twice before it was able to log me in, so don't be worried about that. Great, we are in, and we now get to try the one thing that everyone is waiting for. Does it actually work without internet? There is currently no internet connection on the phone, so let's try sending a message. It works! Well, there were challenges when retrieving previous chats from WhatsApp web, and also at the moment, it's not possible to update your status or delete your post from your status. I also realized that the status on the phone didn't sync properly with the PC, so you have to take note of this. Now we get into the bonus section, which is also important. First of all, we will be changing the Facebook group into a Facebook page, so make sure you follow the page for updates and tips. The link will be placed in the description section and pinned to the comment section as well. Also, WhatsApp has changed the way your files are backed up. That is why it's really important for you to know about this, because encryption is turned off by default, which means your files are not protected before they are backed up. So make sure you go back to turn it on, or your data could be at risk at any point in time. I believe WhatsApp still has a lot to do if they really want to compete with other platforms in this sector. What's your take on this? Drop them in the comment section and make sure you share the link to family and friends. See you in the next video.